And hello there again, the fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is one of the latest HG from the Cosmic Era. Also, still from the Gundam Seed Freedom Movie, we have Destiny Gundam Spec 2 and the Zeus silhouette. Yes, as you can see here in the box art, we can see the Destiny Gundam Spec 2 equipped with the Zeus silhouette here, and we do have, I think, yeah, this is Impulse Spec 2 with the Meteor, but we're not talking about that. We're talking about this big box, bigger than the triple set of the Black Knight Squad rud-ro.a with the Redalard, Daniel, and Liu custom set. It's much bigger than that one. So yeah, this is what you see here. Destiny Gundam Spec 2 and Zeus silhouette. Off to the side here on the big box, yeah, we can see here the Destiny Gundam, and then when he is equipped with the Zeus silhouette there, and off to the other side, yeah, so big. Yep, you can see here, there he is. And you're wondering, right? There's nothing about the seed action system here, but I do know that this is before, or rather this is the prototype for the seed action system. And no, that you mean the Destiny, the HGCE Destiny. Oh, yeah, anyways, let's take a look what's inside the box, this big box actually. So we have one bag here with a multicolored sprue. I'm thinking this is for the Zeus silhouette. Yeah, because of the Z, I think. Yep. Another bag, I think still for the Zeus silhouette. And this bag, I think, yeah, this contains some parts for Destiny Gundam Spec 2. Another bag for Zeus silhouette here. Another one here. This has a lot of bags actually. Yep. Yeah. This has a lot of bags and a lot of screws. And last, we have the gun for Destiny Gundam and stand. So nice, it has a stand. And finally, the instruction manual, which is actually in a booklet form. Of course, because it has lots of screws and lots of instructions, and of course for the silhouette here. Yeah, so it's actually separated into two parts. One for building the Destiny Gundam Spec 2, and the last part is how you build the Zeus silhouette, and then how you equip it. And I think, yeah, this only shows how to equip it with the Destiny Gundam Spec 2. Of course, we saw in the movie, spoiler alert if you haven't seen it yet, Akatsuki also wielded it. So let's take a look individually at the sprues. Alright, first off, we have the A sprue. So these are the sprues for the Destiny Gundam Spec 2 first. So we have the A2 here, which is, I think, the blue has been muted, I think. And yeah, some clear parts and some whites we have there. Yep. It also comes with a B1. Yep. Wherein instead of white, it's kind of grayed. Yep. Oh, that's a B1. It also comes with a B2, but this B2 here has a extension here, which is for the B-fin. So instead of having a yellow B-fin, it has a white of whitish B-fin. The C2 here is all gray. Some manipulators, weapons, and stuff here. Also comes with a C2 for some pairs, and a D1. So parts of the wings are here, feet. Yep. D2, which is actually the gun or the beam rifle. We do have an E1, more part of the wings here, and an E2. Yeah, there you go, more part of the wings or Destiny Gundam Spec 2, and then we have an F, which is an effect parts and the wings of light here. Yeah. And since this is, this was I think a, re-release of an old kit, yeah, they do have a polycap here, unfortunately. And of course we do have some stands here, which is, I think, will be for the support, wherein you equip it with the Zeus silhouette. So that's are all the sprues for Destiny Gundam. Actually, we do also have some stickers here for the Destiny Gundam, I think. Yep, there we go, some stickers there, minimum. So that's everything for the Destiny Gundam. Now let's take a look at the sprues for the Zeus silhouette. So since there's many sprues, I don't think I have put it in order, but never mind. So this is a ZA. So all the sprues for the Zeus silhouette has some Z in front of it. Yeah, so black, some green, muted yellow, and a muted gray. Next sprue. Again, I did not put the order, so sorry about that. This is the ZE. I think the main body for the Zeus cannon, or the Zeus silhouette. Yep, all gray. Then we have not one, yeah, we have one ZB. Actually, we have two of those ZBs here. Yeah, two ZBs. So most likely the wing part, which will later on become leg part when you equip it with the Destiny Gundam. Yep, we have a ZG1 here, which is all muted brown, I guess that's the color. We have a ZD2, all black. I think that's the magazine. Yep. A ZF2 here, some muted green. Again, sorry for not putting them in order. Too many sprues. A ZD2, some barrels, I guess. A ZC, all white. Yeah, there we go, ZC. Yeah. We do have again the ZF1. So, and lastly, yeah, we have a ZD1. Yeah, so those are all the sprues for the Zeus silhouette. Yeah, see that many sprues. And if you combine it with the Destiny Gundam, this has got to take a long time for building. And of course, we can't forget the booklet type of a instruction manual, wherein it's separated into two parts: building the Gundam, the Destiny Gundam Spec to the Z silhouette, and equipping it. And there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the Destiny Gundam Spec 2 and Zeus silhouette. And yes, this is piloted by Shin Asuka, of course, the original pilot of Destiny Gundam. And yep, this has been upgraded and refurbished by Compass, wherein, in one, I think one scene where Shin, recharges Luna Maria's Force Impulse Gundam face ship armor. Yeah. Anyways, this is Mixerwars, and until next time, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing the videos, and until next time, see you and thank you.